Alright, so today we are going to unbox the Suki 2021 Daybook, which they call Spark Change, which you can get in Midnight Blue, Spring Green, Ocean Aqua, and what I have here now is Blossom Pink. Now you can get this planner for only 40 coins. This is exclusively to all Suki card holders of Mercury Drug. Now, not only that you get the planner, you can also get like umbrellas, you can also get calendars as well, and all of which are already available at your nearest Mercury Drug Store. On this page, you'll see the Mercury Drugs message to their Suki card holders. On this next page, you'll get a glimpse of both 2021 and 2022 calendar. What I like about this one would be, of course, the 2021 holidays. So you can plan ahead, especially if you're going to apply for a leave. So this planner is called Spark Change because acceptance is important for change. So the aim of this planner is to help us on how we can succeed in the new normal. So it's time to learn to secure our finances for a more secure tomorrow. So one of the planner's aim is to change the way we save. So here they also have tips on how to do just that. So building a secure financial future starts with building a habit for saving. So on this page, this is the part wherein the planner is helping us on how we can save 5,000 pesos in 31 days. Alright, so to help you on your way to saving 5,000 pesos, you can also write down the steps here, or if you have other ways of saving, you can also write on the next blank pages. Alright, so as problems both old and new arise in our world today, it's easy to feel overwhelmed with all the negativity. So to deal with those emotions, we need to deal with it in healthier ways, such as this one. It's a 15 daily mood boosting activities that you can do. So there's like day 1 to day 15. You can skip through, you can do day 13 first, it's up to you. Or you can follow the daily activities that is stated on this planner. Now remember, as you boost yourself, you also need to cherish your connection and build stronger relationship with the people you care about the most. So here are some tips on how to do just that. Now, some of the ways in forming better family bonds is doing these activities. You can check these activities on this page. Sorry, the girly in me is kicking in. I just love this baby pink ribbon here as your planner bookmark. All right, so due to the recent pandemic, working from home has become more of a variable, if not necessary, option. Because of this, it is important to learn how to cope and create adjustments at home for a more productive work from home setup. Ooh, it's game time! So, for 30 days, accomplish these productivity challenges. So, try to accumulate enough points and cash them in for some sweet rewards that you can claim on the following day. I think I would want to get that 20 points for a half an hour nap, or maybe that 15 points to order lunch delivery at my favorite restaurant. What do you think? Well, a logical next step after a global pandemic is learning and adapting to new healthy habits. Don't forget these important healthy habits to prepare you for the new normal. It is important to make sure that your home's hygiene is properly maintained in order to create a safer living environment. After all, a clean lifestyle is a healthier lifestyle. During this gradual shift into a post COVID society, it is important to learn safer alternatives to our regular outdoor activities. Here are some things that you can do inside your home. Now let's talk about the new normal. So here you can list down the things that you did before, and on the other column, list down the respective alternatives that you can do in the new normal. Remember, change is now the new normal. As we say, it's all about save, save, save. So here, you can keep track of your total savings as well as you managing your expenses. Now, if you're looking for the nearest Mercury Drug in your area, you can check these list of branches and their phone numbers as well. And it's really nice that they also have these cute stickers that you can use on the pages of this planner. Now let this planner be a reminder that there is good in this situation, that if we change our mindsets, our progression and evolution into the new normal will be easier to manage. So here I have happy thoughts or my mood tracker, which I will be creating one here at my Spark Change planner, this page right here. So you have here the different color guides depending on your mood. All you just need to do is to color or choose the color that represents your mood for that day. Just like this one. So for today, I'm feeling excited. So I colored that day green. So that's how you create your own mood tracker. So that's what's inside the Suki 2021 Daybook. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also hit that notification bell so you'll be updated with the product reviews, unboxing, and everyday life of a Bishti Momshi. Again, this is Momshi Sue. Stay safe, take care, and God bless.